Hello everyone. Oh, 3 people. Hello everyone, can you guys hear me? Hello Skeptic. Hello Halen. Happy International Women's Day to everyone.
Anlamadım kendimi bağlam diye şu avazını Duyuksuz gözlerim üsteldik ki resimde Bana mihir bereligen aşırı ilin külkende Resimge kara durup esledim nurgun işini Terbiyede ülgüdettim bana adem buluşni Senin balam kulak sal hatalıktın ibret al Geyiptin neri durup doğru yolda asma İmam mekteplerde yaxşı oku Yaman üstü silah dur Baklıkımni sakla balam ümidimni akla tur Bu şügeller daim bana ilham bulup gelgendi Her vakit yürügümle uç eks giderdi Abadiye sadalarda
This is a Uyghur rap about mother, about the mother love. Send it to all the moms. Hello everyone. Skeptic. Hello Halen. Alright guys, I already think I let you guys wait too long. Let's just start. Hello. Oops, I did a little bit mistake here. I will just correct it and I will start very soon, guys. During the time, could you guys just share the video for me? I'll live stream, let more people able to watch. Thank you. I'm sorry guys, today I'm not able to just play that UyghurMan's logo, but we don't care, we will just directly jump to today's topic. So guess you guys already know about the topic of today. It is about Happy International Women's Day. Women's Day actually. Today is March 8th. It reminds my parents, my mom, my sister. So I just want to give a big greeting to all the mothers, all the women who sacrifice most, especially. Thank you, Kakiman. Rahman. Is that Rahman? If I'm not wrong, Rahman or Rakiman. Thank you, man. Okay, guys. Today is March 8th, 2020. It's an International Women's Day. So happy every women's in the world. Why I just want to talk about this today? Because we really need to care for our women on the earth, right? Because without them, we don't even exist, right? They are our mothers, sisters, daughters. They feed us when we are hungry. They clothe us when we are cold. comfort us when we feel sad. Yes, I agree, Skeptic. That's why I want to spend a couple minutes at least just for greeting our women who sacrifice the most, especially. I saw some video, the police officer just giving the flower to random ladies on the street today. It's so sweet. I believe those ladies so happy. Some of them are get emotional and crying. But who's the saddest women in this world right now? What I believe is Uyghurs women. Yes, man. I agree. Without them, this is part of us. Half of us. We all know women's alive. Without them, we would not even exist, right? If you remember, some mom says like, I brought you to this world and I can also like let you out, take you out if I want. It is true. It is not just a joke, actually. Without the women in this world, it's not called world, I believe. If we treat our women so poorly, then who is gonna take care of us? But in the past, we did a lot of bad things to the women because of we went so far, and we not let them able to vote. We not allow them to work, right? But that's not supposed to be. And we need to stand up for all the women, especially in this day, in this special International Women's Day. When every woman in the world are celebrating their International Women's Day, because this channel is about UyghurMan, so I want to talk about the Uyghur Women's International Women's Day. I want to say hello. I want to greeting them. What they're suffering now. Look at this screen. She's a lady. She's a girl who's looking for her father. She's a Uyghur woman looking for her husband. She got locked up in East Turkestan. She detained in East Turkestan concentration camp and escaped, and she lost one of her kids. She's a Uyghur woman who got forced marriage to Chinese invader. Oh, this one not the women's, but Uyghur women's same life situation with them. Like them, they are forced to marry, forced to work in those facilities, those factories. See, that's our Uyghurs women's everyday's life, basic daily life. It's so sad. Look at those, all forced marriage, all forced marriage. Why I call forced marriage? I live in East Turkestan 25 years. I never saw any intermarriage between Chinese and the Uyghurs in my life. And after I left, when they started this concentration camp stuff, now a lot of Uyghurs have to marry to them for keeps them safe. Because if they reject, camp is gonna be their destination. Look at this mother fighting with all those Chinese army. She might just telling them something about justice, what I believe. Again, look at her face. Is that the regular face supposed to be in your wedding days? Look at her. She don't have a healthy body, but she's still in front of the tank. Raila Dawood, she's missing. One of our scholars, she's missing now. We don't know where she is. Rabia Anaz, she's our mother for whole nation. She sacrificed the most. I believe she got detained in the Chinese jail for at least 7 years, and all her relatives in East Turkestan, the majority got detained, and the rest is like had to say, we don't like our mother, or we don't like Rabiana. She's a separatism. She's a terrorist. They have to say like that. Watch what she lost. She lost everything, right? That's why I want to spend this stream today just for greetings. The Uyghurs women who sacrificed the most in these days. The most. There's no like second, third. There's not at all. There's the most. I wish these days end soon. Very soon. So that all the Uyghur women also can celebrate their International Women's Day like other ladies in the world. So if you want to know, and those are the picture on the screen is just, I just googled Uyghur women. Is all of those, and I explain why those picture and where those picture come from. There's none of them is kind of happy, good situation, right? She's our journalist in America, and her relatives in East Turkestan, even her parents also get detained. She escaped from East Turkestan, but she is not even East Turkestan's Chinese citizen, just because of she's Uyghur. So many things, so many sadness about our Uyghurs' life, especially our Uyghurs women. As a woman, as a man, we're not strong enough to protect them. I feel sorry, I feel sad. That's why in this festival, in this holiday, International Women's Day, I want to greeting all the women who suffered the most. Yeah, Rabiana is the greatest one who gave her. Oh yeah, Rabia mother she's the greatest, of course, and before I came out from China, I don't know any of the Uyghurs outside of China. I only know Rabia Ana. Now after I come out, I saw a lot of people fighting for our freedom, but I don't know any of them. I only know Rabia Ana because she's very successful. Jerry P asked who's Rabia Ana. Rabia Qadir, her name is Rabia Qadir, but she's our mother of the nation because of what she did for Uyghurs, how she sacrificed everything she can. That is too much story, and I can send you a link. She has a whole documentary about her life. It's very great. You will know about her. Yeah, man, Rabiana is our mother of the nation. Look at let's see what our Uyghur women's nowadays doing. What's it doing? This is our Uyghurs woman. Give me a second, guys. They are singing a song to Chairman Xi Jinping. Look at this. A song ordered to sing by Uyghurs. The world's father, Xi Jinping. Tweet. Oh, no. See, those are our Uyghurs women. That's why it was to spend a whole day or a whole afternoon today just to talk about them, greeting them. They sacrifice the most. That's why they deserve it. Yeah, Jerry, I will send a documentary about her whole life. Or you can just Google it, man. Yeah. So, our first topic is about Happy International Women's Day, right? That's our main topic for today. But we also have another. Actually, next thing I'm gonna talk is not topic, it's a trend, it's a theme of this channel. Guess what it is? Jerry, could you guess what the next topic I want to talk? Or the Rahman? Could you guess what I'm gonna talk? That's gonna be our Justice Believers' long-term goal. What is the next topic, Jerry or Rahman? What do you think? Yeah. Alright, since you guys not interested about the answer. Alright. It is about boycott made in China again. That's about our movement. Stop product made by slaves. Yes, that's what it is. That's what I want to talk. Boycott made in China. After this corona outbreaks, guys, a lot of people, I feel, kind of start hating something like they believe this is a fault of the Chinese people. That's why they're beating up some Chinese on the street in Europe and America. That's not good. Calm down. This is a very serious moment. We need to love. We need to love each other. We need to come together. We have no time for fight, or we don't have no time to be a racist. But as a justice believer, what we need to do something, right? But those type of races, those type of hate speech is not good, what I believe. So what we can do is stop. Just don't buy anything from the slave, please. Again, that's what I want to say. If you look at the video, picture I just showed you guys, is about all those Uyghurs sent it to the concentration camp, and then nowadays he transferred them to those factories that produce good for some of the biggest companies in the world. Those are, hold on, the company I want to show up here. It is a lot of company and big company. So when you try to buy anything from those company who has a factory in China, we have to be careful. You don't want to buy the product from the slave, right? Or if you really don't care, then I cannot do anything by that. But if you as a justice believer, just please stop. When you buy those brand, at least check the label. Check it if it's made in where. If it's made in China, it means made by Uyghurs. Made by those ladies we just graded for. Made by slave. So those brands, you need to be really careful when you purchase. Look at these factories. In the coronavirus outbreak, this specific serious time, they were running 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, by forced. And China said, oh, we employed them. Yo, Chinese Communist Party, Uyghurs do not need you employ. We are surviving thousands of years with the glory history. We don't need you employee. We have each people have different skill. We have our own society. You just don't break that harmony. We will really appreciate that. Don't think, oh, we need help for, as you advertise on your propaganda videos, news. We don't need your employee. When you come to our land, when Chinese communists come to our land, they're even worse than Uyghurs' life. We was the ones supporting them. Now they made some dirty money and tried to tell the world they are the one who are supporting Uyghurs, who are employing Uyghurs, and actually those are all the lie, all the trap. They are all using Uyghurs as slave, guys. That's very scary. Yeah, look at those biggest company in the world. BMW, Lenovo, HP, your computer stuff, Sony, Panasonic. Again, this is boycott made by slave, made in China is gonna be our movement, guys. It's not just topic for some video is known. That's gonna be our trend. That's our theme. We have to keep talking till we give some hit to Chinese Communist Party. So every shoes from, everything from the shoes you wear, from the phone you use, you look at those brands, Apple, are being produced by those slave labor, guys. Slave labor means that these people are not get paid or salary or for working hundreds of hours and hundreds of nights, day and nights. They don't get paid. You don't want help China use those slaves, right? Stop made by slaves. Yes, man. That's what we need to do. That's what we need to do. Stop made by slaves. It is a industrial system that, this is not just some people doing like this. This is the systematic, organized, arranged by government that doing these things. Workflow chart is bring the Uyghurs from the camps or from the East Turkestan, let them work for free. That's how they holding the country at the last moment, guys. If we stop buying things from made in China, we are not helping China to use slaves. Second, we are giving big hit to Chinese economy. Chinese communists try to bound us with the virus, with their factories. We had to step away from them. Like America in 2020 gonna move all their high-tech company, like biology company, back to the America or somewhere else, because they realized that's the scariest part. People hoping China are not gonna be keep going to that wrong direction, but they never care. And just to write down a board and piece of paper, or just say like stop made by slaves, and then take a picture. That it means you joined our group. And if you can share on our group, Facebook group, or hashtag on Twitter, I would really appreciate it. It means you are one of our members. That's simple. Please, guys, do it, guys. We have to support, we have to save those slaves in 21st century. If you was the one to assist in the big evil to use slaves, then it means this society is not civilized enough yet, because of some group, because of some government, because of CCP. Let me tell you exactly. Yeah, guys. And about YouTube or doing to, it's pretty scary. I don't care about the demonetizing my channel or things, because I have you guys to talk. I have some certain people watching. It's enough, but it's pretty scary because YouTube, all this internet things, monopolized by certain big company, right? Google, Facebook, Apple, like this big Amazon, like different field monopolized by different company already. Yeah, we're glad it's not the company from China, but the Google, this company like YouTube, they don't want to talk. China don't want to talk about, you know, the same thing. It's like second WHO. That's pretty scary. So we should do not let them get their goal. So please just click the like button, guys. If you guys click like button, then they cannot do anything about that. I don't care about the views things. Like button is more important for me now, because even though they try to demonetize me, they try to not put my things on the search bar, but the like button is gonna help it to move to become easy to search. So this type of, it's gonna be help to our movement. Stop made by slaves. This is what we really want, right? So I want my voice to reach more people, to hear about it, just to do the thing. Just don't buy the things from China. You can either just share it, just click button. Actually, if you can comment on the below anything you want, or just support you, or keep going, just like this, I will know how many people is supporting this movement, you know. Please, if you like, if you're watching this video now, just click the like button and leave a comment at below. That will really help, and we will really appreciate it. Yeah, skeptics, that's what it is right now. In the 21st century, we have slavery. That's pretty sad, yes. Because some country use their big population to pull the society move forward. They try to pull the society back to the non-civilized time. We have to speak about it. We have to stand up about it. We have to do something with our actions. Just stop buying things from them. You're not gonna have any problem. It will take time to all those factory move out, but we have to force those factories to move out. Yeah, you're right, Jerry. We will not stop. Even though I have really bad English, broken English, I don't care. I'm not coming here for teaching you guys English class or giving a speech. I just want to tell about the movement, what we should do as justice believers in this specific serious moment, because by the time this evil fall down, we have to choose the right side to stand, right? So which side you want to choose, it's very serious, and we're gonna get everything become a history. That time we can able to face ourselves from the history book. And if they try to demonetize us, so we have to use this type of hashtag on the social media, because the power of social media can help us to make a ding in the CCP's pockets. Yeah, that's why I want to make this movement is really grow quickly and impact as fast as possible. So please, guys, if you can do it, especially on Twitter and Instagram, do never forget to write down hashtag stop made by slaves or made by Uyghurs. I would like to say stop made by slaves for now. Please guys, and please keep sharing this video. We should not let the Communist Party, Chinese communists get what they want. We are on the opposite side with them. Look at that. Even the TikTok you should not use. Please just don't use for your own safety. I'm telling you. If you want to stand and you want to help evil, it's up to you, but I wish you not. So again, how about this music, guys? Alright, again, at the end of this stream, I want to back to our topic. Happy International Women's Day. Especially to those Uyghurs lady who suffer the most in the world in this time, at this moment. Happy International Women's Day to you all. To those who suffered most, sacrificing the most. And everything will be okay. We will fight back. And you guys are the one, will be the one change the